Hi there, I'm going to show you how to change the battery in this Model Y key fob. Pretty straightforward process. You're going to need a small screwdriver about this size or a pair of tweezers or something along those lines. And then also one of these 2032 batteries. You can get these off Amazon for just a few dollars. There's a link below in the description that will take you straight there. The first thing you want to do is on this back portion, take your screwdriver, insert it in this little slot, and just kind of lift upward gently. Then the front half, there's a little hook right here. Kind of pull that this way. Take your screwdriver, place it right about here, pop out your old battery. Your new battery is going to go in, and you want to place it kind of under this front lip and under this back lip, and just kind of push it in like that. Now the trickiest part here is you need to get this seated, this front portion in first, and then snap in the back. And you're all set. That's all you need to do. Thanks so much for watching. Hope this was helpful. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button.